You are most welcome in Technical Pathfinder, the Learning Center. In this session of banking series, we will solve some more problems from English language which are generally asked in banking exams. First question in this section is from error detection. Direction is given that read the sentence to fill out whether there is an error, and if there is any error will be one part of the sentence, then that will be the correct answer. If no error is there, then option E is correct. First question is, we all have the ability to focus and concentrate, but only if we decide what is important to us and we want to accomplishing. Here after to we cannot use verb plus ing form, so option 4 is wrong. We can use to accomplish here because to plus first form of verb is used. Option 4 is correct answer. Second one is also error detection. Just around 2 decades ago, few imagined that the robust data messaging, voice and video connections could be established with such ease. Here, after few, we have to use a model like could. So, correct form is just around 2 decades ago, few could imagine, because we have to express the possibility, so we use modal could in place after few. Here option 2 is correct answer, or B option is correct. In next problem, direction is given that read the following passage carefully. So the some problems are asked from passage and we have to answer the questions given based on it. Certain words are printed in bold to help you locate them while answering some of these problems. So I am reading the passage. You will listen carefully. After that we will solve the problem based on it. There was something pathetic about a minister's wishful thinking as he addressed the media and talked about his vision of 5G mobile generation for country X. In this passage, a minister has a vision of 5G mobile generation for country X. He said his vision of 5G for the country was not just a rollout of services but the creation of intellectual property in the country and patents in 5G technology. This may be possible in a couple of decades, but right now we might as well be crying for the moon. So we all are discussing about moon and not on 5G technology. While companies around the world, notably the Chinese, have secured thousands of patents in this revolutionary technology that will provide the platform for intervening a host of new products, technologies, and services. The companies in X country are yet to start field trials of 5G spectrum, for which permission was granted just recently. So, permission is granted for 5G spectrum, but something is not done in country X in 5G technology. They are researching on moon only, but China is doing some work on this technology. Equipment for these trials, needless to say, will be provided by foreign vendors. So it is now justified that equipment only provided by foreign vendors. Most people assume that 5G will provide faster speed than 4G, which bypass the hinterland and work only patchily in urban area, but that would be a gross simplification. Here patchily is a positive word which means that 5G technology will provide better field for the telecom sector, and it will work regularly in urban areas, but that would be a gross simplification, means it is not the end, that 5G technology have more advantage after this. A global 5G network will unify mobile communication and connect people and devices to everything through the Internet of Things. So IoT, with the help of IoT, 5G will provide so much facilities, given that 3G and 4G patent holders have controlled the use of high tech mobile tech in the smartphone industry. Those who own the intellectual property, primarily the standard essential patents, will become the market leaders in the technology that will reshape the future. Country X has sent mission to the moon, but in the area where technological prowess matter most, the country is lost in black hole. So in 5G technology, the country doesn't done any work. Not a single telecom firm in the country is in the list of 303 deployment of 5G technology worldwide. So not a single firm from the country is listed. This industry list has 20 operators in 294 locations. Worse, although the domestic firms are expected to start their 3-month long trial shortly, it is worth remembering that the industry is in dire straits. So it is a negative word which Hughes debt and has indicated that it would be in no position to bid for 5G spectrum. Nor does country X have the kind of resources that China is investing in 5G, apart from the sharp research effort on it. No wonder Chinese firms command the lion's share of patents among the clutch of global firms that own IP in 5G. So China firms are commanding. Its star performer Huawei dash to surge ahead with revenues soaring by 23%. So only Huawei have 23% share. Country X has to decide if Huawei is a security threat or not. Can country X ever catch up? Field trials are just the starting point. It merely allows operator and equipment makers to prove that the network they have designed in a laboratory actually works in practice. Then there is the long haul to commercial rollout. As country X obsesses about its technological expertise in a mythical past, the future is looking decidedly dim. So, there is a negative sense in the passage for country X in respect of mobile 5G spectrum technologies. First question based on the passage: which of the following carries a similar meaning to dire strait? So, meaning of dire strait is very bad. Option E seems to be similar in meaning with dire strait, a difficult situation. Which of the following is true with reference to the passage? So we have to understand the meaning of the passage and then choose the correct option. 5G connectivity will improve connectivity only in rural areas. Country X lags behind other countries in every field of science and technology. None of the option given. Many companies of country X feature in the list of companies holding 5G patents. The government of country X has hugely invested in 5G technology, which has paid huge dividends. So, I think there is no option is matching the sense with given passage, because country X is lagging in 5G connectivity, and but it is not lagging in every field of science and technology. And also, the patent of country X are not listed in 5G patents, and it is not have hugely dividends. So option C is correct answer. What does the author intend to convey from the segment of the passage, but that would be a gross simplification? In this passage, but that would be a gross simplification is used for 5G network, that it has faster speed than 4G, and also in the next passage the advantages of 5G are also enlisted. So he is saying that this is not enough. 5G have much more advantages over 4G. So option A is seems to be correct answer. 5G technology is a lot more than just improved speed and connectivity. Other options given are 5G technology is commercialized, not much difference between 5G and 4G, and connectivity is the only issue with 5G technology. So the correct answer is option A. According to the author, what is the reason country X has not made great strides in 5G technology? Why country X has not made more steps towards 5G technology? Telecom companies of Company X are in bad shape financially. Yes. Slow pace of research in field of 5G technology. It is also correct. Economic backwardness of country X. No, it is not correct. Telecom companies have less finance capability, but country X is not economically weaker. So option C is correct. Both A and B option are true. Which of the following is opposite in meaning to pet chili? So option C is correct. Consistently. It is used for 5G technology as it is not consistent. So the opposite of actually is consistently. In next problem, author of the passage most likely to agree with which of the following statements? First A option statement is the future of 5G in country X is bleak. Correct. China is usually responsible for bad shape of telecom company in country X. Getting 5G technology patented is a tedious task. No, it is not tedious, but they are financially weaker. Option A is correct. In the next problem, we have to fill the blank given in the passage. So here, a fill in the blanks is given. Its star performance Y dash to surge ahead with revenues soaring by 23%. Its star performer Huawei dash to surge ahead country X. So continues fit in the blanks because it is emerging or it is continuing to the leading performer, and continues is fit because after continues to is used. If emerges is used, then emerges as a leading performer may be placed here, but 2 is there, so continues fit in the correctly in fill in the blanks. In our last problem, direction is given. In the given question, 4 words are printed in bold and they are numbered 1 to 4. Out of these, the position of 2 of these words may be incorrect and need to be exchanged to make the sentence correct. Find the 2 words which need to be exchanged. In case the given sentence is correct, your answer is E. That is, no exchange is required. See the sentence: to carry the illicit sale of liquor in area under limit, the authorities have laid down a prohibition on the amount of alcohol one can restrict. So here four words are there which have to jumbled, which have to placed in the correct position. So the correct way to say the sentence is: to restrict the illicit sale of liquor in areas under prohibition, the authorities have laid down a limit on the amount of alcohol one can carry. So 3 and 2, these words are interchanged with each other, and fourth word is interchanged with first word. Option A is correct answer. That's all in this session. We will take some more problems in next videos, and if anyone have some doubts then ask in comment section. I will try to rectify it. Thanks for watching. Stay connected and keep practicing.